Hi, hello everyone. This is Bhavani, ALP astrologer. Today I am going to share a very valuable information with you, that is regarding investments. We are all interested in investments because the returns we get from investment, it is life changing. Many of them are investing in so many ways, like real estate, share markets, mutual funds, gold investments are there, silver investments, like that. So many investments are here, and we have to know when can we invest and how long can we invest in one particular investment, because investments as a common factor, it is not suitable for everyone, because some investments will be beneficial for few people, and other investments we have to just pay attention to your horoscope, which ALP lagna you are going through, and according to that, how it is being analyzed according to the planetary positions, which investment suit your level, all these to be concerned. Because many are investing in so many things and facing very losses, like somebody are investing in share market, getting huge losses in share market. For example, we have already shared ALP lagna Gemini and Sagittarius. We are not suggesting them to invest in share markets, because both will face, these two ALP lagnas will face a long huge loss, and too much of money losses there. So analyze your own horoscope, check whether you are investing in particular thing. If it is share market, your fifth house should be very strong. The lord of fifth house should be placed in a good position to get high returns. So in order to get that, please pay attention to which ALP lagna you are going through, and according to that, which bhava is very important to see investments. Likewise, somebody are investing in real estates. When they are investing, the land value will be very high. So after their investment, it gradually slows down, and they are getting huge loss, and they are selling it for loss. All these are because of that mode of investment is not working for them. It is not that everybody who are all investing in real estate are facing losses. We might have seen so many companies are in real estate for years and they are getting profit. All of a sudden in 1 year they'll be facing a huge loss. Their properties will be pending without without selling. Their plots will be just idle. They can't get customers. Even the reputed companies will face this because of their planetary position. That particular 1 year, if their planets are not favoring them, then the loss is inevitable. Likewise, if you are investing in gold or silver, you may invest in one particular amount, a huge amount of gold, and keep it in your. Buying gold is easy, but keeping it safe is very dangerous, right? So, investing in gold is also, you have to see which ALP lagna you are going through. According to that, since gold is more related to Jupiter, you have to see where is the Jupiter position and what sort of gold you are buying. According to that, you should check your horoscope first, analyze it, and then invest in any form of investments. Okay, if you are investing in real estate, check your fourth bhava from your ALP lagna. Your fourth house lord should be in a very strong position to invest in real estate. Only then you will be able to receive high returns out of it. Be cautious, find whichever investments is favorable for you. Even though some of them are putting gold chits and all, saving goals in small amounts, even that they start their account, but they cannot continue that till the duration given to them. For 1 year, they'll be investing in the first month. They cannot go to pay the amount, or they cannot afford to pay that because of their financial situation, and that goes in vain. So you have to decide which form of investment is good for me, which is not good for me. Plan wisely according to that. So invest carefully and enjoy your returns with huge benefits and gains. Thank you. We'll see you in another video.